The Gus Craft 2-pack denture cleaning brush set. You can tell when first picking the brush up, very well made, good hand grip, 2 brush sides. You have your smaller side and your full brush. Stiff bristles, front and back. This one here is made to get into tighter spots, cleaning out the grooves between your denture teeth. Works real well. I've cleaned mine this morning. And all you have to do is get your plate in place. They're all cleaned up and ready to go for the day. And you have a good day too. Bye.